The International Labour Organization, ILO, is a UN agency focused on labour standards and social justice. One landmark case illustrating its impact is the ILO's role in addressing forced labour in Myanmar, formerly Burma. Specifically, the ILO's Committee on Freedom of Association took action against Myanmar for its widespread forced labour practices, leading to the suspension of technical assistance projects in the country. This action, taken under the ILO Constitution's Article 33, highlighted the organization's ability to address serious human rights violations within member states. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. ILO's mandate. The ILO sets international labor standards, promotes rights at work, and encourages decent employment opportunities. It plays a crucial role in ensuring social justice and protecting workers' rights globally. 2. Forced labor in Myanmar. In the late 1990s, the ILO investigated reports of widespread forced labor in Myanmar, including the use of forced civilian labor on infrastructure projects and by the military. 3. ILO's response. The ILO's Committee on Freedom of Association, CFA, examined the situation and found that the Myanmar government was violating fundamental human rights conventions. 4. Article 33 action. The ILO invoked Article 33 of its constitution, which allows the organization to take measures against a member state that fails to comply with recommendations related to fundamental human rights. This led to the suspension of ILO technical assistance projects in Myanmar. And 5. Impact. This action by the ILO, while controversial, demonstrated the organization's commitment to addressing forced labor and its ability to take significant steps against member states that violate international labor standards. It also highlighted the importance of the ILO's role in promoting decent work and social justice on a global scale. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.